Hey, what did I tell you? Another unbelievable show. Jim here from the Car Show Guys. And we started out this morning a little rough. We started out in Brooksville, Florida at another show. That's another story. And we'll have that one on tomorrow. So make sure you watch tomorrow to see what happened at that show. But then we turned around and come back to our reliable Dade City show down here. A lot more different cars down here. So you got to make sure you watch it all the way through because there are some great cars. Changing the format a little bit. So let me know if you like it down in the comments below. And let's get started right now.
We do a C6 chassis and put the 63 split window on it. All our body parts. Only thing left original is the roof and the mirrors. Keep the LS3 motor. Interior stays the same. If you want to change that, you can always do that. But we did keep all that stock. But yeah, all fiberglass.
So you're molding the fiberglass
So
panels?
we do mold the fiberglass.
So you're doing 63s only?
63 we're doing also out of the C5 chassis. We'll do the 58 body that fits on the C5 chassis as well. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah,
that's cool. And how long does it take you to do one?
Generally, probably 6 weeks if we stay on it.
Oh.
So we've got a nice crew that stays on it and gets it done quick. It could be up to 4 months. Depends on the help that we do have.
And you're based out of Tampa?
We are in Tampa, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, this is cool. It is definitely cool.
Thank you.
And not to hold you to a number, but what's a ballpark figure for something like that?
If you brought us the Corvette, we're doing those for 65 and 75. Then if you want the split window or the 64 straight over window. The 58, I don't have the numbers together for that yet. As we're just in process of doing the first one right now. Yeah, they're up there, but they're a very unique car. So, yeah.
Okay. Well, I appreciate your time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Took me 4 years to put together, different modifications and everything. And it's got a Chevy 9 horsepower engine with AC, heat, all comforts. The seats are Corvette seats that were cut in half and put back together to make fit. So the car is fully customized.